with another video. We're gonna be doing another unboxing of a custom Funko Pop that I want, and yeah, it's like one of my top favorite characters that Chris Evans has done. So I give you a hint of the character that one of his characters. So yeah, for now, let's dive on in. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will be linking my other custom pops that I have, and yeah, so if you're new to my channel, you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, turn on bell to keep up with the videos, and I'll check you guys out in my next video.